What is up, guys? Welcome to episode 59 of the Craving Crypto podcast. Today's episode is going to be really short and sweet, kind of a classical one. Me and the logarithmic chart with some Elliott wave theory on Bitcoin in the big picture, as we are really thankful and grateful for all of the things that we have in our lives on this amazing Thanksgiving in 2018. So shout out to everybody that has been following High Altitude and the High Altitude Investing YouTube channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Anyways, so Bitcoin has this huge red trend line that we've been watching on the logarithmic chart since 2013. And every single time that Bitcoin falls below this, we see huge increasing volume levels and capitulation event occurs. And then prices start to rally back above the trend line and we reoccur into a standard developing uptrend of prices. So that's what we're seeing right now with Bitcoin. Now, the previous cycle in 2014 was a classic ABC correction with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, and now we have complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. Now I believe this is to be a WXYXZ correction. Now this could either stop at the 786 or the 88% retracement. My personal belief is that we are more likely to stop somewhere between the 786 and really the $3,600 level on Bitcoin, maybe just a little bit lower. But I don't think we'll hit all the way down to the 88% retracement. But that's a level that I am watching, you guys, with Bitcoin as a potential with this $2,500 level and the $3,000 level with Bitcoin, because there's a lot of support in that level. So you guys, we're watching all of these trend lines, and honestly, from a technical analysis perspective on the big picture, right now is not a time to be selling. If we look at the BLX chart, which is all of the charts combined, all of the indexes of Bitcoin combined into one, I like to look at this one because the logarithmic chart is really nice on this. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is on a huge uptrend in the bigger picture. And right now, although we are seeing some downside movement, this is very similar to what we saw either right here or right here in the market of 2014. So we're getting closer to a bottom with Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market in the big picture. And you guys, panic selling at these levels is not the best option to do. Remember, as an analyst, you have to be aware of the emotional psychology behind the market. Most people are going to be selling in these big red days when everybody's fearful. And that is what is occurring right now with Bitcoin. On the big picture, if you look at these big blood days. Every single time Bitcoin has one of these big blood days, we see a recovery. So don't sell on these red candlesticks, you guys. We're going to see price action back on the upside, I promise you. Even if we see a couple more jabs on the downside for Bitcoin, I really do not think that we'll fall any lower than the 786. We could test the 88% retracement because that's what the 2014 cycle did. But you guys, the cryptocurrency markets will return to a bullish cycle, and the big picture trend is definitely on the upside. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I appreciate you tuning into this update. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please comment down below if you have any questions at all. I love you guys, every single one of you, and I will see you guys in the next episodes. As always, stay profitable out there.